4,000.
Yeah,
so.
I think it's got hot. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the Nürburgring and of course to Apex. You know why we're here, it's fairly obvious. We're meeting up with Misha. It'd be good to catch up with him, for him to go out for some laps in the Golf R. You may remember a little while ago he actually took out my M140i, literally the same day that I collected it from Pure Turbos, having gone stage 3. So it'd be good to catch up with him, as I mentioned, see what he thinks of this, and yeah, ultimately have some fun out on the Nürburgring. Here he is, Misha, mate, how are you?
Good seeing you again.
Yeah, it's been what, about a year?
I think more than a year.
You
came around like April, I think, last year?
Yeah, just before the season started.
Yeah, exactly.
I brought this time. What do you think, first of all?
I'm excited. I mean, I've been excited since last year that we did a lap in your 140 already, because that was more of a drag car, and you said, hey, I'm building something for the track.
Yeah, I told you about it.
You told me about it. I'm not sure if it was a secret back then, but you told it to me, and I'm like, well, I'm very excited to drive that.
Yeah, I'll let you know when I come back, more or less.
Here we are. So,
absolutely. It's all ready. I've done a couple of laps for other videos and stuff because I'm just here for the weekend, but it'd be rude of me not to let you have a go.
Yeah.
Of course, you're doing a video for your channel as well, which everyone can go check out. But yeah, ultimately, I think we'll go have some fun.
Yeah, I'm very excited. It looks like a proper build. Yeah. I see you have a nice window banner from a familiar company. Shout out to Dodger.
Pinnacle Motor. Yeah.
So I'm sure it should be.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun. I mean, 500 horsepower, manual.
Manual, yes. Yeah, 500, huh?
Yeah, some nice aero on it as well. So yeah, no, it'll be interesting to see what you think of it.
Yeah, excited.
It'll be my first passenger lap as well.
Woohoo!
In this car. Let's do it. Let's get straight into it.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are.
A bit hot already.
Oh mate, it's boiling.
Oh man. Please come back in April again next time.
Oh yeah, I agree. Although it snowed last time.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, maybe not.
Okay, yeah, AC off.
Yep, the AC off, you got race mode. All good.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
maximum RPM for 1,000.
Yeah, I think it's got hot.
We even slowed down on the hard section.
Yeah.
Well, that's it then.
Yeah. Well, maybe it was half a lap, but it was still an experience.
Yeah, it was nice.
What did you think of it? Was it okay? Honest thoughts?
It needs to have a bit more, well, cooling.
Yeah.
And stopping power.
Yeah.
Better pads.
Yeah. Anyway, as we approach the end, then I think that's going to wrap it up. It's a shame that obviously put us into limp mode. Things happen.
Yeah.
Things happen. In fact, do you remember the 140? It did it. We kind of didn't really show it in the video, but it came up with a drivetrain problem.
Yeah.
You're driving it too hard. But yeah, mate, thank you so much.
Hey,
good to see you. Good to see you.
The first half was nice.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, go head over to Misha's channel if you want to check out the proper full video that he's going to make of the car. But for me today, that is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe. All the adventures still to come.